So if you're having problems with your transit starting on your Ford, well, there are a few things that you can do to fix this issue. So, first things first, make sure the battery is healthy here. Now, a weak or discharged battery is the most common reason a transit won't start. So, check the terminals for corrosion, make sure the cables are tight, and test the battery voltage if you can. Anything below like 12.4 volts can cause low or no cranking. Now also look at the starter and connections. So if the engine doesn't crank at all, the starter motor or its wiring may be the issue. So listen for a click when you turn the key. No click usually means a wiring starter relay problem. So while repeated clicks suggest a fading starter. And also, you may want to inspect the fuses and relays here. Now, Ford Transits depend heavily on the fuse system, so open the fuse box, look for blown fuses related to the ignition, ECU or starter, or fuel system. Swapping the starter relay with another identical relay is a quick way to test it. And also, check the fuel delivery. Now, if the transit cranks but doesn't fire up, well, the fuel pump may be or may not be sending the fuel. So turn the key to the on and listen near the fuel tank for a short humming sound. Now, if you don't hear it, the pump, its fuse, or its relay may be the issue. Also, modern transits often store fault codes that point directly to the problem. So, you may want to use an OBD2 scanner to check for issues like the crankshaft sensor faults, immobilizer errors, ECU problems. So, this scan prevents this engine from starting even when everything else seems fine. And finally, confirm the immobilizer isn't blocked or isn't blocking the start. So if the security system doesn't recognize your key, well, the transit won't start. Look for a flashing key symbol on the dashboard. Try spare key if you have one, or lock or unlock the van to reset the immobilizer. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.